Good afternoon, good afternoon. Please, today is Sunday Asada. This is a transfer from National. It's a transfer from National. You see, National at event 1401, you see 20. Position 1, 2, 3, 4. 40 will drop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Single 3 will come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 76 and double 8 will play. Following week, this 76 will turn to 67 and drop under the 76. This is a parking. So we should expect 75, 35, single 16, 63. Today, Asada. 75, 35, single 16, 63. This is our game for Asada. So 7 June, Asada, our game is 75, 35, single 6. 16 and what? 65 or 63. 16 and 63. The two show is single 75. Okay.